Hey everyone, Uncle Aaron here. So you want to be a YouTube rock star, but feeling a little lost backstage? Don't worry, we've all been there. So today we're dropping the ultimate guide for total YouTube newbies. How to launch your channel and get those views rolling in. First off, YouTube is a wild world, but with the right tips you can create a channel that explodes with viewers. So let's break it down. First things first. Content is king. You gotta make stuff people actually want to watch. Think about what you're passionate about. Your product, business, tutorials, hilarious cat videos. Whatever you're passionate and knowledgeable about is where your passion is going to shine through and keep viewers hooked. Now, once you know your niche, research your audience. Who are you trying to reach? What kind of content would make them say, yes, this is amazing? Now, let's talk about quality. Nobody wants to watch shaky footage. Invest in some basic equipment, like a decent microphone. That can make a huge difference, for example. Now, fancy gear isn't everything. I mean, editing, that's your secret weapon. Learn some basic editing skills if you want to keep your videos tight and engaging, or reach out and let us do the work for you. As editing, it's probably not the best use of your time, and you can easily get caught up spending days on something that could take hours or even less for a real pro. Don't forget the magic of SEO. Sprinkle relevant keywords throughout your titles, descriptions, and your tags so people can find your awesome content. Want another secret weapon? YouTube Shorts. That's right. These bite-sized videos are a fantastic way to grab attention and explode your channel. And with YouTube remix options, you can easily upload more short-form content directly taken from your long-form videos, which is a huge plus for getting more views. All right, there you have it. Content, audience, quality, SEO, and shorts. Your YouTube Launchpad is ready. Remember, success takes time. Keep creating, keep learning, and most importantly, have some fun. And if you need help, reach out by jumping over to 4cmultimedia.com and filling out the free form so I can meet you and assist you on your media journey. At 4C Multimedia, we believe that the 4C's are consistent, compliant content equals closing. And that's what it's all about. Leave a comment below and let me know what kind of content you want to create. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more YouTube growth hacks. I'm Uncle Aaron, and I'm out.